Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Ria. I am 36 years of age and I am from Balanhiga, Eastern Samar, Philippines. I am separated for 3 years and I am a single mother of three beautiful kids. My highest educational attainment is I am a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and taking care of the children. My expertise are in cooking and cleaning. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 3 years. My duties are to cook and to take good care of the family. My one couple and 5 children, 13 years of age above. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for the future of my children and to help my family. I'm willing to take good care of your family, ma'am, sir. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, I am honest, I am respectful and obedient. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and to finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, ma'am, sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.